Hey, good evening, guys. UC here from iTradePrices. Today is April 17th, a little before 10 p.m. Eastern. Hope all of you are doing well. If you're watching this video, you have most likely seen charts or snapshots that Annie posts on the Facebook, or the dots that she sometimes goes live with on the YouTube channel, right? So first of all, not just this dot indicator, right? Any indicator for that matter is no magic stick by itself. So we've been trading since the past 12 to 15 years now, and trust me, there is no holy grail, right? So yes, you can be a discretionary trader using price action, support and resistance levels, trend lines, and all that, but it is very hard to remain consistent with that approach, right? I mean, you eventually get emotional or display some sort of self-destructive behavior. You create a bias, and then it just does not go as smooth, right? There's no consistency. So both Annie and myself have been in that position. We've struggled with it. So we've kind of blown away our personal capital, chasing trades, or not taking a stop loss, or just sticking to a wrong bias and not throwing the towel. So in the end, what happens is that you take a hit and you promise not to do it again. Therefore, to kill the trader in us, right, we had to find this way to be systematic. And that meant taking a clue from some sort of indicator that gives us some edge, and then having a very specific entry and exit criteria, right? Of course, you back test it, you find the positive expectancy, you see what sort of ATM template matches your style, what should your stop loss be, how can you tweak and all that, right? Basically, it has to match your risk profile. So trading with the help of this dot indicator is our way of creating that system, right? That process where we trade every day based on these rules, accept the result, and move on to the next day. So we personally trade in the 1 minute chart, NQ chart, right? E-mini NASDAQ, and that is what we recommend, that if you want to use this dot indicator, you look into that time frame, right? You can definitely keep track of the trades along with the times on the Google Sheet that Annie and I both like to keep on updating every day, if not every day, every other day. Sometimes you have a busy lifestyle with kids and all that. But if you've seen the introductory video on the dot indicator or some of these review videos, you might already know where we like to enter and exit, right? We just follow those rules, and I've gone through them in detail in the members section as well once you get the indicator. But again, you do not have to follow them. You can create your own. You can use these as a baseline, tweak them, make something, come up with your own version that fits your trading style or risk profile, right? There is no wrong or right approach to it. Like I always say, trading is all you against you, right? So for example, in the back testing, if I look it up, this is a Google Sheet that we have prepared, or we kind of like to keep on updating. We started doing that from December 10th in the simulation account, right? And then moving on from, I think it was, so these are all the trades. Let me keep going. I think it was, let me go up. There you go. That's just the screen size. There you go. So we switched to live from December 18th onwards, right? And since then we've been trading live, and these are different types of entries we have come up with, and again I've gone through them in detail in the section, this section right here. Once you get it, I mean, you can browse through it, see what it all entails, right? You can download the indicator, you can even download the EMA clouds for thinkorswim and all that stuff, right? So the short and sweet summary is that just based on your back testing or whatever we have provided here, you can start off with that and then go from there, right? The idea is to kind of create that system, trade it. We don't care about support and resistance. We don't care about trend lines. We just keep following the price. If you're wrong, you're out, right? You get stopped. If you're right, you get rewarded. And we like to go with at least twice the risk amount, right? At least 2R. So with that approach, again, we're not looking to be 70 or 80% right. Even with 50, 55%, even 45% win ratio, you can be net positive, right? Think statistics, think probability. So I sincerely hope that if you end up getting this tool or following this trading approach, you find your style, your niche, your sweet spot, and become a successful trader. Okay. Thank you and wish you all the best. Thanks.